Welcome to Biogas Technology and Sustainable Agriculture Experimental Farm called Mende, Yaoundé, Cameroon. We are here at the experimental farm. You can see our baby dragon. We do more work on small-scale biodigester. This small-scale digester will improve the lifestyles of the rural population in particular. It's going to provide them with alternative cooking foil and organic manure that will be used to improve soil quality. Our main aim is to fight rural poverty, and why not fight climate change. The problem faced by the rural women: lack of alternative sources of cooking foil, scarcity, in some cases you don't have. Women and children move over long distances in search of firewood. They use charcoal, they use sawdust, they go to an extent of drying cow dung to use for cooking as foil. Why not support them? Our rural women are suffering. That is the reason why poverty is increasing. But with biogas small-scale technology, we should be able to support them and improve their lifestyle. Why not fight deforestation? Why not fight farming? Why not fight soil degradation and infertile soil using small-scale biogas digester technology? Let us support them. Look at the soil here. It's very bad, very poor. But with the slurry or the organic manure from the digester, we have been able to improve on. That is why we are working on this. That is why we are working on project with Solar City Biogas innovators and practitioners to improve on soil quality so that we can fight farming. Look at the passion fruit bed. It's the work of the slurry from the small-scale digester. Look at the cherry tomato farm. You can see how it is. It's because of the small-scale biogas digester technology. Look at this huckleberry. Look at this huckleberry. It's because of the small-scale digester. Why not support our women? Look at this tomato farm. Look at the tomato farm. It's because of the small-scale biogas digester technology. We thank God for this. Please join us with Solar City to support our projects. Goodbye.